So we start with trigo. Okay. So trigo mein basic formula is what we have is for sine. Sine is opposite upon hypotenuse. Then we have cos, that is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Then we have tan, that is opposite upon adjacent. Okay. In simple words, we call it O Sha Cho Ta. Okay. So sine is opposite upon hypotenuse, cos is adjacent upon hypotenuse, and tan is opposite upon adjacent. Okay. So this is the basic formula what we have for the very first time. Okay. And then with this formula we move on to the next type. Okay. Wherein we have to make sure one simple thing over here. Okay. Whenever you're solving any questions with regards to trigonometry, okay, we have to make sure one simple thing over here, and that I am just being very clear about it. If you are measuring any angle, okay, if you are measuring any angle, that angle needs to be one decimal place, not more than that. Okay, angle has to be one decimal place, not more than that. And if you are measuring any kind of length over here, that can be two decimal place max, max, not more than that. Is this clear? Is this clear to all of you? Okay, that can be two decimal place, not more than that. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so that is basic formula we have. You need to figure out which side is opposite side, which side is adjacent side. Do you people have doubts with regards to that? कि भाई opposite कौन सा adjacent कौन सा? If that is the case, do let me know. I can help you out with you to you people right now. Okay, right now. So if there is any doubt with regards to what is opposite side, what is adjacent side, let me know right now. If not, then we will move on to the next type. Okay. Is this clear? Yeah. Okay. Next type may once we have these formulae, the first type of questions which are usually asked. Okay, the first type of questions which are, yes, Krish, you have a doubt? Krish, you have a doubt?
Yeah, in that like opposite वाला figure out करने के लिए एक बार
अच्छा,
बता दो ना.
opposite कौन सा adjacent कौन सा है वो figure out करने के लिए. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, चल, I'll do it right now. Okay. So basically, if I have a triangle, सबसे पहले इसका 90 find out करो. Okay, so if this is the 90, okay, now this 90 is done. Now this triangle is A, B, and C. Okay, so I want to find out B ka. I want to find out values for angle B. Okay, so when I consider angle B, तो angle B के लिए ये बन जाता है opposite. And angle B के लिए this becomes the adjacent. Hypotenuse तो always opposite to 90. Hypotenuse is always opposite to 90. But for a right angle triangle, see, sine cosine rule ka how it is, I will tell you later. But for a 90-degree right angle triangle, this is how the case is. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So for example, I'll just stop share this one and I'll share this one. For example, this particular question. So here we are finding for angle M. So सामने वाला side becomes opposite, बाजू वाला side becomes adjacent, and hypotenuse is always opposite to 90 degree. Right? Now we need to find out angle M. Once we know that we have to find out this angle M. Okay, this angle over here, M over here. Okay. So what are we going to do when we have to find out this particular angle, which is angle M? Okay. So this is that angle which is angle M. So how we will go about? We will check कि अपने को क्या क्या दिया है. Okay. So we have been given adjacent and we have been given hypotenuse. So if adjacent and hypotenuse is given, we have only one trigonometric ratio which is very, very, very prominent, and that is the cosine. Okay. So accordingly, we will use cos. Okay. Accordingly, we will use cos and then we will solve it. Is this clear? Is this clear? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So once that is given to us, so we can simply write over here cos M is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse, right? Therefore cos M is equal to 4 upon 5, but we need to find out this angle. That means this M is equal to cos inverse of 4 by 5, which you can put it in your calculation and figure out what is the angle. The angle, whatever you find out, needs to be rounded off up to one decimal place only. keep this thing in mind. Okay, 1 decimal place only. Clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So that is the second type of usually asked from this chapter. Okay. Then we move on to the next type of questions, which are on the basis of Pythagoras theorem. So I hope all of you know Pythagoras theorem, right? Pythagoras theorem. I hope all of you know it. Pythagoras theorem. Quickly,
Yes,
quickly.
sir.
What is Pythagoras theorem? Acha, by the way, who is this Galaxy M11?
Jatan.
Okay. Yeah. You know what is Pythagoras theorem, right? Tell me quickly, what is Pythagoras theorem?
A square equals B square plus.
A square equals B square plus C square. So for example, I don't remember it this way. Okay, I remember it this way. If I have a right angle triangle, okay, so this is hypo, okay, this is hypotenuse, and this is side 1, and this is side 2. Okay, this is side 1 and side 2. So I remember it this way. Hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Okay, I remember it this way. नहीं तो फिर confusion होता है सर A किसको लेने का, B किसको लेने का, C किसको लेने का. Okay, so to avoid this kind of confusion, I go for hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Okay, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
that is how things work over here for hypotenuse Pythagoras theorem. Moving on to the next one, which is very, very important, and that is sine rule and cosine rule. Okay, so sir, it is very confusing when to use sine rule and when to use cosine rule. Okay, so sine rule and cosine rule. Now, if I closely look at the condition over here, when to use sine rule and when to use cosine rule, I just need to be clear about one simple thing. Sine is very, very, very important. Okay, so to understand this formula, you draw a triangle first. Learn to draw a triangle and its angle. Okay, so how do I draw a triangle and its angle? That is very important. So once I draw a triangle and its angle, so mine becomes very simple. So if I have this triangle, triangle A, triangle B, and triangle C. Triangle ABC is the name. So vertices are A, vertices are B, vertices are C. The side opposite to vertex A is labeled as small a. मतलब ये उसका length हो गया. The side opposite to vertex B is labeled as small b, and the side opposite to vertex C is labeled as small c. So sine rule क्या बोलता है? Sine of angle upon opposite side. Okay. So for example, it is sine of A upon small a. That is sine of B upon small b. That is sine of C upon small c. Sine rule ka formula is clear to all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now, tell me one simple thing. If I have the situation over here, so don't you think so this situation is somewhat similar to if you are from science, P1 V1 equal to P2 V2, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So ये formula P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. When do we use P1 V1 equal to P2 V2? When 2 pressure and 1 volume is given, or 2 volume and 1 pressure is given, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
When
in
the
the same-
temperature is constant.
वो temperature constant, that is a condition. But when do we use this formula? When we have been given 2 pressure and 1 volume, or 2 volume and 1 pressure, right? So in the same way, we are going to use sine rule in such a way when 2 angle and 1 side is given, or or 2 side and 1 angle is given. Okay, are you getting it?
Yes.
Yeah. So
Yes,
in
sir.
that kind of question only we will be using sine rule, because ultimately what we are going to do over here is we are going to take either this part. Okay, we are going to take either this part, or either this part, or either this part. Okay, so at a time we can take sine A upon A equal to sine B upon B, or we can take sine B upon B equal to sine C upon C, or we can take sine A upon A is equal to sine C upon C. Okay, so in that condition we are going to use sine rule. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Moving on to cosine rule very quickly. Moving on to cosine rule. So cosine rule क्या बोलता है? Cosine rule is when to use, how to use, and what to do in cosine rule. Okay, I'm just going through the formula right as of now. We will be doing questions on the basis of the same. Okay, cosine rule. Okay, now look at cosine rule. So here we have the formula for cosine rule. Okay, once again, I label my triangle as A, B, and C. Okay, so cosine rule, I use it for two various things. One is to find out the length, okay, and one is to find out the angle. अब यहाँ पे देखो clearly they have mentioned we use cosine rule when we have either two side and included angle. Now what do you mean by included angle? Included angle मतलब बीच का angle. Okay, we need to have that बीच का angle. Then only we can use cosine rule. Okay, so if we have, let's suppose I annotate over here. Yeah, so two sides and an included angle or all the three sides. So ये condition होता है, then only we will be able to use sine rule. Now how to remember the formula? You remember A, B, and C. Okay, you remember A, B, and C if you want to remember it in that way. So if I want to find out A square, okay, if I want to find out A square, so I will write down A square is equal to B square plus C square. ये तो पाइथागोरस थ्योरम है, बड़ा सिंपल है. Okay, minus 2 B, C and A का angle. So cos of A. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I quickly stop share. I am not sharing anything. I'm stopping the screen share. Quickly write down for B square and C square. फटाफट तुम लोग खुद लिखो for B square and C square, and then we will check whether your formulas are correct or not. Okay. Quickly write down for B square and C square. फटाफट. चलो. Yeah. Quickly check your answers for B square and C square. फटाफट. Check whether it is correct or not. Check whether your answers for B square and C square is correct or not. Bolo, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So B square is equal to C square plus A square minus 2AC cos B, and C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is how we are going to use cosine rule. Okay. So क्या क्या पढ़ा अभी तक? Simple formulas on sine, cos and tan, then sine rule, then cosine rule, and Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now, based on the basis of this, okay, what we can do, we can try solving some questions. Okay, on the basis of this, we can try solving some questions. So I'll share screen. Okay, I'll share screen, and you people are going to quickly solve questions on that. Okay, I'll share my screen, and फटाफट if I am giving you कि भाई ये value ये question करना है, तो फटाफट. Okay, question number 1, A, B and C is not clearly visible. So हाँ, A, B and C. Okay, within next 3 minutes, फटाफट. If you don't want to write, if you want to do it orally, still it is fine. But I want you people to give me answers. Okay, if you want to type answers and give, that is also fine. But I want you people to give me answers फटाफट. Okay, type करके भेजना है तो भी चलेगा. Not a issue.
question?
Question number 1, A, B and C. फटाफट. Quickly. I don't think so you even need to write it on a book and then solve. Okay, it's quite quick.
So A, B, and C, right?
Yeah, A, B and C. फटाफट. Yes. So yeah. Kalindi, what formula are you going to use for A? फटाफट बोला.
Cos.
Cos. Okay, cos, because adjacent and hypotenuse. So can someone please give me quickly the formula answer for x?
45.57.
45 point
45.6 होगा ना सर, क्योंकि 1 dp में करना है.
1 dp पे राउंड ऑफ करना है, तो 45.6, राइट. ओके. बी वाले में व्हाट फॉर्मूला? Opposite is given, adjacent is given. Which one? Quickly tell me. Just be prompt.
Tan theta.
Tan inverse. Okay. What is the answer? Quickly. Guys, jaldi.
58.0.
58.0, right? 58.0. Okay, sir. A question. Do we need to write down 58.0 or 58 is only fine? Right? ये question आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है?
58.0.
58.0 लिखना पड़ेगा, because मैंने क्या बोला? Angles needs to be written in 1 decimal place. So 58.0 needs to be written. Okay, if you just want to outstand from other people. Okay, yeah. Question C. You have to find out opposite side. You have been given an adjacent side. Sorry, you have been given an hypotenuse. Opposite side is to be found out and hypotenuse is given. What formula?
3.9.
Sine. Very good. Sine. Okay. So it will be A will be equal to 7.4 sine 31.7. That is equal to
3.9.
3.9 or 3.89.
3.9.
3.9.
3.89.
3.89. Yeah, 3.89. Okay, 3.89. Okay, cool. Chalo. फटाफट. Yeah. Question number. Let's come to questions which have been asked in exam. Okay. Now this is the worst part. This is the place where many of you lose marks, where bearings and trigo is combined. Okay. So that is where you end up losing marks. Okay. Now just look at angle A, B and P. Just look at the angle A, B and P. Okay. And मेरे को बताओ कि यहाँ पे तुम कौन सा रूल यूज करोगे, साइन रूल या कोसाइन रूल?
Sine.
Why?
Because sin A upon A is equal to sin B.
Because we have been given two angle and one side, right? We have been given two angle and one side. So quickly I can use sine rule over here, right? Is this clear? Yeah. So quickly use sine rule and solve question 2A. Fatavat. Quickly use sine rule and solve 2A. So how will it be? Sine of, it will look like this. Okay, so it will be sine of 126 upon 250 is equal to sine of 23 upon AB. Yes? Yes or no? Therefore,
Yes, sir.
AB will be equal to sine of 23 into 250 upon sine of 126. Right?
120.7.
How much?
120.7.
120.7. मैंने क्या बोला? 2 decimal place पे.
7.4.
7.4. Very good. 7.4. Yeah. Okay. This part is clear to us, right? मतलब अभी अपने को समझ में आ गया कि वो साइन रूल कब यूज करना है, कोसाइन रूल कब यूज करना है. Next part is quite new, मतलब not new also, but we don't have that confidence over there. Bearing of A from P. Bearing of A from P. Okay. Again, I am repeating this word from. From पे you have to put stress. Okay, from पे you have to put stress. उन्होंने बोला है the bearing of A from P is 303. मतलब P के north से if I travel till A, this is 303. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, this part is clear to us. Okay, so that now if we can go ahead and look at the question, they want bearing of B from P. They want bearing of B from P. Okay, they want bearing of B from P. So B kidhar
Sir,
hai?
may I?
Check that. Check that. Where is B? B is over here. And from P, that means they want from here to here. Okay. Don't you think so? It is very simple.
Yes.
Yeah. So we just need to subtract 23 from 303 and that will give us bearing of B from P. So from जिधर
280.
बोला है from के north पे आना है उधर से clockwise जाना है. You have to go clockwise. Okay. And that is how you will be able to solve this particular question. Okay. So the answer is 280 degrees. Okay. The next question, the next thing what they have asked us is A from B. Okay. They want A from B. They want A from B. तो from किधर है सबसे पहले वो देखो. From is at B and B से अपने को A जाने का है. B से A. So B to A, if you want to go, you will go clockwise. That means like this. Okay, clockwise you're going to go like this. That means you need to find out this particular angle over here. Okay. Now tell me, how are you going to find out this particular angle? Okay, if you want, I'll just erase everything and zoom this particular question. Okay, so that it becomes very easy for us. So once again, we need to find out this particular angle. ये वाला angle अपने को चाहिए. What would be your step? What you guys are planning, or how are you going to get it done?
Sir,
Okay.
I got 69.
How?
Yes, sir.
How?
सर हमको वो 303 का पता है तो मैंने इंटीरियर एंगल्स वाले रूल से वो बेयरिंग ऑफ P from A निकाला.
Bearing of P from A. That means this
हाँ.
angle.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So since this whole thing is 303. So this part over here would be how much? 360 minus 303. 360 minus 303, right?
05.
Hello?
57.
57. So this is 57. If this is 57, this part will be 180 minus 57 because
Yes,
these two
120.
north are parallel to each other. That is equal to
Yes. 123.
123 degrees. Now this is 126, this is 123. So this angle over here will be equal to 360 minus 126 minus 123. Right? So what will be this angle?
111.
111. And if this particular angle is 111 over here, this angle would be 180 minus 111. Right?
Yes.
Yeah. So 180 minus 111, that gives you
69.
69. But मैं 69 नहीं लिखूंगा, मैं लिखूंगा 069. Right? Because it is a bearing. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is this clear to all of you? All of you understood this?
So,
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
sir, if we get answer in like decimal, like if we get 68.7 maybe, then do we write 068.7?
Yeah. See, bearing का question में ना, bearing का question में, you will always get a whole number. Okay. ठीक है. Now, I'll just clear this. Now, I want you people to try one question. Okay, I'll just share it on the screen. And I want you people to try. I hope it is visible to all of you. The question is visible?
No, sir.
हाँ? No?
Yes, sir.
मतलब readable है कि नहीं है?
Sir, can you
Yes, sir.
zoom it a little?
जूम करूंगा ना पूरा क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा, तो फिर देन सम पार्ट यू हैव
चलेगा
टू.
चलेगा.
हाँ, okay. So this is the question. I want you people to try this. I want all of you to try, yeah? Because see, try. Wrong होएगा तो ठीक है, okay. We still have a lot of time to make wrong things right, okay. So I want all of you to try. Just because you have kept your videos off, I am just assuming that you are trying, okay. It is completely your choice. If you want to improve, you can. Okay, calculate the bearing of Wellington from Gisborne. तो G से clockwise from Gisborne. Okay, so you have to go from G से clockwise.
290.
No, don't give me the answers. Don't give me the answers as of now. First try.
Sir, can you show the question of the B one?
Yeah, B का question पूरा. Calculate the bearing of Wellington from Auckland. To calculate the bearing of Wellington from Auckland, are we using sine rule or cosine rule?
Sine.
Why sine?
Sir, because there
Because
are
two sides and one angle.
two sides
Two
and
sides
one
and one
angle.
angle. Okay, instead, okay, I am just asking you instead. They did not ask you this question, Auckland ka, Wellington ka bearing, but instead, if they would have given this angle over here, what would be my first impression? Cosine or sine?
Cosine.
Cosine. Okay, are you getting it? Are you getting how to figure out कि sine use करना है कि cosine use करना है? Okay, so
So
that
why
is
cosine?
what happened.
Why cosine?
Yeah, see, cosine mein we studied one over there when to use cosine. So one of the condition was two sides included angle. Okay, it was two sides included angle. So here two sides are given, and if this included angle would have been given, then we could have gone for cosine first.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, are you like feeling confident about Trigo now? थोड़ा तो ऐसे लग रहा है कि नहीं अब समझ में आ रहा है कि कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करना है. So we can at least try.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
सर आप ट्रिगो की एक वर्कशीट भेज सकते हो.
हाँ, जैसे परसेंटेज का आई हैव डन, I'll send you by night या फिर tomorrow morning. So the whole day you can practice. Okay, that can be done. That is no harm in that. Okay. चलो, let's discuss quickly. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. चलो, सबसे पहले तो what I can see over here that I have these two norths over here. ठीक है, तो ये दो north है, ये 115 है. I can simply find out this angle, and this angle will be 180 minus 115, right? That is how much? That is how
Yes.
much? Quickly tell me.
65.
65. 065.
नहीं, वो मेरा intermediate answer है. Okay, so
Okay.
I don't want to write it in 065. That is my intermediate answer. I'm not bothered about that. Okay, I want वेलिंगटन फ्रॉम गिस्बर्न, तो G से मेरे को W तक जाना है, तो I want this particular angle, and this particular angle will be 360 minus 63 minus इसका कितना आया था 65 minus 65, right?
232.
हाँ, so 232. So this is what my first answer is, and I'm clear with that. Okay, moving on to the next one. Okay, they have given this. They want bearing of Wellington from Auckland. So from से चाहिए अपने को, from से. So from A से W जाना है. So that means this whole angle I want. To get this whole angle, I have to figure out what is the value of this angle. Okay, so what is the value of this angle? To get this particular angle over here, I have angle and uska opposite side, and I have opposite side, but uska angle is not given. So I can simply use a sine rule over here. Okay, so let that angle A, so it will be sine A upon 400 is equal to sine G upon 410. Okay, sine A upon 400 is equal to sine G upon 410. So simply find out what is the value of sine A. So A will be equal to sine inverse of sine G. Sine G is 63. So 63 into 400 upon 410. Okay, so simplify this, you'll get the answer. Kitna aa raha hai answer for A?
60.4.
60.4.
60.4 degree.
60.4. हाँ, okay, 60.4. So when I add 60.4 plus 115, what am I getting?
175.4.
175.4. Round it off up to the whole number. So that will be 175. Okay, because we are writing the answer for the bearing. Okay, we are not writing the answer for the angle. We are writing the answer for the bearing. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
हाँ,
sir, so it will be 0175 या फिर only 175?
175 ना 3SF.
Oh, okay, got it.
ओके, मतलब थ्री लेटर में अपने को लिखना है. बेयरिंग ऑलवेज मतलब लाइक 3 numbers में we have to write.
Yeah.
Okay. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. The meeting might end, so you people rejoin once again. We will do more questions on the same. Okay, so till the time you get confident about this. Okay, so it might end any moment, so you can join the same link. Till that time.